So this is a 105 series, it's a petrol one that we'll be putting a diesel in. We're going to be installing one of our large front mount intercoolers, and we're just doing some test fitting. So we've gone ahead and cut the holes and prepared it ready for installation. As you can see, the headlight still in place and the lower components. And what we have done is swap out the pipe on this side for the condenser. This is effectively the same as what you find in an HDJ 100, which goes straight down and then around and back in. That allows our larger intercooler to fit. And the bend on the traditional one looks like that. So it's the same as the petrol or the diesel, the HDJ 105. But we've taken it out. We've got a custom one, it's all one piece. This end here goes straight up onto the compressor for your turbo diesel. What we've also done is made the adjustments to fit the intercooler. We've trimmed this section off up here so the intercooler can fit under there, because we've got a 300mm high core. And over in each side you can see we've done a cut through just below the top mount. The top mount bolt is missing, there's no reason for that. And on the driver's side you can see the hole through there as well. So next trick is to fit the core. So this is our PDI Mk2 for the 100s and 105s. It's 685 wide on the core, we're 300 high and we're 3 inches or 76mm deep. You can see we put a drain plug in the bottom corner. You can either use it if you want to do servicing and clear out any oil, or if you've got a late model 100 series, you can connect the hose that goes to the back of the butterfly to that for constant draw that will do all the time. If we pick it up, have a look behind, you can see there is a recess here that goes around the condenser pipe back into the engine bay. We haven't done any other modifications besides previously discussed. The core goes up and back into place. Tabs on the bottom, we just stick a bolt on this side, bolt over here, small bracket on this side, small bracket here, and then we have a centre bonnet support. That's all that's needed for the manual.